Phasalo Airport Authority of India ni Kaisa team Kailashahar ni kwcham airport visit Khlainani Thangkha. Visit Khlaimani Jorao Manjakha Agartala Airport Chief Security Officer SK Roy Deputy General Manager Kesh Meena. Visit Khlaimani Yagula Athani Dalbidal Jungzalo Klaijak Tomani Shaka Daktino Sunam Zakna Hindibu Shaka Airport Authority of India ni Adong Rock.
और सिक्योरिटी के लिए बाहर लाइट चाहिए आप जी पूरा वो 40 चाहिए और पंप चालू है
Kailashahar ni Shimotam Temni Koktum Chini Khorang.
Unveil soon also, we are going to start that Bengali New Year, and we are going to add few new traditional creative cuisines for our buffet.